Go. Look, it's the Crumb Boss.
That's what you say I look like.
Have a holly
That's me.
jolly Christmas.
I really
It's
sing
the best
like
time of the year. I don't know.
Where did you get this?
My mom got that for me for Christmas 9 years ago.
Have a holly jolly
But she won't take it out of the box.
I never took it out of the box.
It's adorable.
I love it. The Bumble from Rudolph's Red-Nosed Reindeer is my favorite character. I love him. He was so grumpy and so unhappy because his tooth hurt. Right?
Yeah.
And then when the little dentist fixed his tooth, he was so happy and nice, and he put the star on the top of
That's
the tree.
who it
It's
is.
one of my favorite Christmas
Is that
movies.
Bumble?
This is the Bumble from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer movie.
And you're Rudolph the Redhead Reindeer.
That's right. Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Yeah. And why are we doing a special Crumb Boss episode for Christmas?
Every episode of Crumb Boss is special.
Exactly.
What are you asking?
Okay, well, there's a lot of things going on the table because right now, you guys, I walked in today and the Crumb Boss, these are cupcakes
Oh, you didn't even show them
that
did
are
you?
going to the North Pole with the letters.
That's right.
In Steph's sleigh on
Special
Christmas Eve.
delivery. We are shipping out these amazing North Pole cupcakes to Santa. When you guys send in your dear Santa letters.
Yes.
To Crumb Boss and Steph the producer.
Make sure you watch Santa Hat video and find out how to do it. We already have like 100 letters.
Yeah, right. So Steph's sack is getting
It
filled.
is. And these are cupcakes that I'll be bringing on Christmas Eve.
Aren't these the coolest?
To the mailbox for the magic of thing. Now, I want to see, it says the North Pole on it.
That's right.
I can't see it. Go to the light.
Go into the light.
Go into the light. Does it say it? Why I can't see this?
Because it's on white and pink again.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Well, let me see. I can see it says it there.
Oh, there you go.
Wait, let me take this off. Hold on. Let me see this. No, it's
that looks
blurry.
worse.
That looks worse. Okay, let me put this lens back
Hey,
up.
everybody, Crumb Boss TV. If you've been with us, you know what we're doing is very normal.
We're trying to figure out how to work the camera. No. Okay, so these are coconut North Pole cupcakes. I got this is Baker's Steph's favorite brand. If you want to be like me, this is Baker's Coconut, and you can find it at your local grocery market, or just go to crumbboss.com and click Crumb Boss favorites. It goes to Amazon and go buy it over there. But this is the best banging coconut.
Yes, it is. And I'm going to show you guys how to make these easy cupcakes. They look so cool for Christmas this year.
Yeah, they do.
Now, what I wanted to do was, I got away from the normal cupcake liners, and can you see the foil?
How dare you?
Can you see the foil liners that I use?
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, it's a nicer touch. You could either use red or green if you wanted to do that festive for Christmas, but I went with the foil.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to just show you how I did this.
This is cool, though. It looks like these are awesome. Looks like little snowballs.
Well, the first thing I want to do is make my poles. And what I took was some mini candy canes.
Okay.
And I have, obviously, you guys, I have the sugar paper printer where I printed out my North Pole. Everything is edible. It looks like it's on a piece of gum, right?
Yeah.
It's not. No, but now that I think about
North
it, you could use gum.
Yes.
And if you didn't have the sugar paper printer, like I'm sure you don't, then you could just use royal icing and hand draw North Pole on a stick of gum, right?
Yes.
All right. So, what I need to do, though, I was thinking to myself, how am I going to get these to stick on my candy canes? Well, look at this. I'm putting it into a bowl of sugar, and that's going to keep my candy cane in place. In the meantime, I can use a little bit of white chocolate that I have melted over here. This is the Merkins. Just put a little dab on the back.
Yeah, we don't use Wilton anymore because it's gross.
Well, Merkins I find is the best brand. And see that little bit of chocolate? And I'm going to stick that onto my candy cane.
That's cool.
All right, and if you give that just like about 5 minutes, that is going to set up. And
Okay.
I'm going to do it again to this one. Just a little dab. A little dab will do ya.
So you're putting the sign, it says North Pole.
Right.
It's hard to see it, but it says it. I can see it.
All right, and now what I have is my Crumb Boss recipe of white cake.
Yes.
That I baked in my foil-lined cupcake liners.
Okay.
And then I have my Crumb Boss vanilla buttercream.
Okay.
I'm going to ice it here. If you guys don't have your extra large cake kit yet, order that on crumbboss.com. It comes with everything that you need to pull off the videos like I do here.
Yes. Again, we're making North Pole Santa cupcakes for Santa Claus.
All right, and over here I've got the coconut that I'm using to simulate snow.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Look at it. Who wouldn't want to eat this?
I know, just this alone is good.
Oh my god, I could like drip coconut in my mouth all day. I love coconut. I just love it. And it's so tropical.
Over there.
These are adorable. These are really cute.
All right, so it's basically coconut vanilla cupcakes.
Yes. Coconut vanilla cupcakes made by the Crumb Boss. And again, these are for Santa and the North Pole.
Now, this is not quite
Whoa.
dry yet. My chocolate isn't quite set on there, but it's sticking. So I just did that like that.
Yes.
And then I stick that one in there like that.
Okay. But how do you get the M&M on top?
Well, that's the other thing too. So you may want to go ahead and make your poles ahead of time, so you're not rushing the process like I am. But I'm taking another dab of white chocolate over here on the tip of the M&M.
Yes. Oh.
Okay, just a really small amount. You don't want too much because then it's going to slide right off. And then pop that right on top. So this is what I mean. You may want to make your poles ahead of time, like not on top of the cupcake.
Yeah.
It's sticking to my finger and not the candy cane. Ah!
This is good.
There.
Yeah.
Now we got it.
Now you got it.
All right.
Let's try another one.
Let's do it
okay,
again.
boys and girls, can you do this? I bet you can.
I'm only 9 and I can do it better than you.
Exactly. How dare you, Steph? You stink.
See how
Okay,
easy?
so here we have the Crumb Boss North Pole. Again, this is for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. Please watch Steph's Santa hat video to know where to send in your letters. We've got over 100 so far for the big Christmas Eve, delivery of all your wishes. And these are the cupcakes that are going to be going to Santa that night. So, how many days till Christmas?
I don't know, like 2? As far as I'm concerned.
It's November. What's today?
Today is,
Oh, is this?
behind you.
What is
Today
this?
is the 24th.
Today's November 20. Oh, it's a month from today.
Exactly.
It's exactly a month from today. It's Christmas Eve. Holy Christmas.
All right, everybody, get your letters to Steph. She needs them.
Exactly.
And in the meantime, make all of your Christmas
Exactly.
recipes.
Watch the Santa hat video of how to make Santa hats to know where to send in your videos.
Yep.
Again, have yourself a... Let's do this. This is so cute. This is so you. This is you when you, don't get your way.
Yeah, I dance and sing.
Exactly.
When I don't get my way.
Oh, you should see when she doesn't get her way.
My whole life is me not getting my way.
Yeah. Yes, you have. You got your way. You own a big, beautiful bakery. And you have the #1 baking channel on YouTube.
Yay!
Yeah. And you shoot it with your best friend.
That's why I'm dancing like that.
Yeah.